Monire mosa. Tampokererane. So in this video, as you can see, I want to introduce you to various instruments that we use. So the first one is this one. You can already hear. Let me take it up so that it doesn't make noise throughout the recording. Yeah, but that one, usually men who dance vimbuza will tie around their ankles on the legs, so that when they are dancing, there's also that enhancement of sounds. This one is ngoma, so it's a drum. I'll put the words in Chitumbuka in the description below, because I do not have, I'm not sharing any screen now, but I'll put the words I'm mentioning in this in the description below. So that's that, the drum, ngoma. But we also have things like this. So layers of wood that make different sounds based on which one you tap. Tumbuka people, we also dance ingoma. So when we are singing tabana ba marabe tienera kuonga yiwe so we will, it's the legs that you lift up and down. Probably you've watched ingoma maybe before, like I see mostly South Africans dancing. You lift the leg and hit it down, but with a sound of something like this. Usually it's long, it has a long wood handle with it, but these are adapted. Can you hear that? Okay, but there's also a small version. This is quite sharp. It's the sound is, to me, is similar to what we call visekese. Visekese is, we make it ourselves using dry grass tied together, 2 layers put together. Inside, you know, like it's like a pouch, a bag. Inside of that bag you put in stones, small stones, which then you use. But here someone has adapted to things like that. So that's visekese, which makes that sound kweche, kweche, kweche. We use visekese especially when we are dancing chimtali. Excuse me. So chimtali is usually a dance by young girls. We have several dances like ndolo, chimtali. Ndolo especially is younger women, older women, but chimtali is younger. Ndolo, older women. And we also have this. It's like drum. But because we have different types of drums, for example, if they are dancing maripenga, this would have sounded similar to maripenga, but maripenga is a lot of bass. It's not sharp like that. Usually it's bum bum bum. It's it has a heavy, it has power to it. Okay, it looks small, but yeah, so it's similar. But one more thing, I think I have a lot of things here, just the it is also this one. but at home they are made from natural things that we find and created. They're not fancy stuff. So I guess what I wanted to say finally is this one, that usually it is men who beat drums. So the drums are bigger and they can be heavy. The drums are made from, this thing is made from cow skin, and we have so many things here. They are made of cow skin and they are heavy, so they tie. This is just a rope. I guess I brought it as the rope. Yeah, so it's a rope they will tie around their waist together with the drum. The drum is usually put in between their legs so they can reach it. So they tie it so that it doesn't fall out of that legs, so the back is supporting the drum as well. It's a skill, and there's also a lot of coordination because they don't just use one drummer. And these drums are also what are used in what I've been describing in the poem called My People, which is also somewhere on this. Probably I'll put it here at the end of the, yeah, I'll put it here at towards the end of this video, the poem where I also talk about Vimbuza dance, which is a healing dance. And yeah, so the drums are used for various things. We celebrate on Christmas, we celebrate during weddings, we celebrate when we are on birthdays, remembering our elders, for example. They've turned 80, 90, we're celebrating. But also we use drums when things haven't gone well, or someone has depression. Basically, the drumming is used to heal people from depression as well. This is not, I'm not explaining scientific things, I'm explaining my culture, so I don't want that to be misquoted, but I'm explaining what we do in my culture to heal depression. We use Vimbuza dance, and eventually we see people who were depressed start to dance, and yeah, with a repetition of that, maybe for a week, the mood changes and someone becomes better and they heal. I use these drums for myself because I'm used to it and it helps me. So I also search here on YouTube, where I just search Vimbuza, and I'll find a lot of men beating drums and people dancing Vimbuza. For me, it's the listening to it, the rhythm of it. It just lights me up. It's also because I'm already into music a lot. Not that I can sing, because I can't, but I love music. So yeah. And especially where drumming is involved, it really is in my genes, if I can put it that way. So without wasting much of your time, I'm not wasting much of your time, I think I was explaining. So now paweme yeuchomene. Have a nice evening. Okay, see you in the next video. I hope you learned something about the different things that we use as Tumbuka people. Bye bye.